The euro. We've had a little bit of a technical pullback, just very minor. This does look extremely vulnerable still when you look at the current daily. We might want to pull back a little bit, but I'll just any pullback or rallies are subject to being sold, in my opinion. What we've done in the Asian range so far, we've come up towards the Asian range high. We're forming a bit of a bearish flag here. Still looks vulnerable for a potential downside, another break to the south. Maybe we want to sweep yesterday's lows, but it looks for me just it remains extremely bearish. And any rally, any pullback that we have is subject to being sold. Now, look, if we were to, you always should keep in mind that markets don't move in straight lines, as we've covered before with the dollar update. Markets don't move in straight lines. We're always subject to potentially pulling back. I mean, this is consolidation. This is a little bit of a pullback here at the moment, which could be sold if that does play out, especially now we've seen a little bit of that sweep of the Asian range high. But either way, like today, focus on the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, which is core PCE price index. That comes in line. It may force a little bit of dollar selling, just near term, some excuse for profit taking, this being priced in. But if it's still sticky, that just reinforces the dollar upside. So any minor downside technical correction would just be shrugged off anyway. Any dips that we see in the dollar will be bought. Any rallies that we see in euro dollar, subject to being sold. I'm just an element of caution because we move in one direction, just watching this pullback at the moment before further selling. But as I said to you guys before, the next major area of liquidity is down here at 112. Nothing's changed. Okay, we're likely to be drawn into macros drive the price into key areas of liquidity, and this is what we're looking at next for euro. For ongoing analysis, trade ideas, and all that good stuff, guys, you could look at joining the macro desk. You can get that access to that for free. That is sponsored by various brokers, which you can check below to get access to that. Otherwise, I'll catch you on next update.